Welcome to week 6 of the course. I hope you're all doing well so far. For your video announcement this week, I just kind of wanted to go over what I'm working on and then what's expected of you. I have finished grading all of your week 4 Pico question assignment worksheets. So you should have gone in, been able to receive all of your feedback, see the comments that I put in. That way you could have incorporated that into your week 5 assignment and week 6 and week 7, any changes that I think you needed to make. As a whole, you all did pretty good on your Pico assignment worksheet. The thing that I think most people struggled with a little bit was the searches and making sure you tweak your terms just a little bit to get your results where you needed to be. You could start out with a large number, but then you need to make sure you narrow it down, because the whole point of a literature review is to find the most relevant literature for the topic that you chose and make it manageable for you to actually go through and read it all. Some of you still had hundreds, if not thousands, of articles left in your final number, and that's just not feasible for someone to go through and read every single article and narrow them down even more. So you need to make sure that you have more filters, more criteria that you're adding in to narrow down your results. So make sure you're looking back at the feedback I gave each of you. If you have any questions about that, please feel free to send me an email. On your week 5 assignment, I'll be going through those this week. Again, I always try to have them graded by Wednesday so you can get that feedback as soon as possible and incorporate it into any other future assignments, or have a chance to email me, ask me questions, set up a phone conference to go over some things you didn't understand. So I'll be going over your week 5 assignment. I didn't get any emails, any questions about it, so that makes me think that you all knew exactly what you were doing and didn't have any issues with that. This week, for week 6, you're also doing another worksheet, and it just breaks it down question by question. This assignment is worth 40 points, and what you're going to be doing is choosing one of the 5 articles that you chose or that resulted from your search on your Pico question topic. So choose one of those articles, and then you're going to use that article and go through and critically appraise it. You're going to be answering questions about the credentials of the authors. What's the purpose of the article? How is the study designed? So think back to week 4 when you filled out that table of just real broad information. We're going to go a lot deeper into the article itself and just really analyze how the article was written, how the study was performed, and if it's a reliable source that we can count on for our evidence-based practice. So you're working on that. Like I said, it's 40 points. It is a large assignment. Do not wait till the end. Make sure you're pacing yourself. Work on it a little bit every day. And if you have questions, email me. Make sure you're looking through it at the beginning of this week, on Monday, on Tuesday, as soon as you can. That way, if you do have questions, you're not struggling at the end to figure out what's going on, or to send me an email and get some feedback back from me. Also, don't forget that your week 7 assignment kind of wraps everything up that you've been working on in weeks 4, 5, and 6. It's the PowerPoint where you're going to be going over why you chose your topic, what your Pico question is, how you performed your search. So if I made some feedback on your week 4 assignment, and then any feedback that I give you on your week 5 assignment about your Pico question, things like that, you need to make sure you incorporate those changes I recommended into your week 7 PowerPoint. So you're going to be going over that. You're also going to be talking about the different articles and the findings. And the whole point of this is for you to basically give me a presentation on what the research you did showed, so we know how the practice needs to be changed, or if the practice is currently following what the evidence says. Think of it like giving a presentation at a staff meeting. That's the whole point of your week 7 assignment. So we're almost there. If you've got questions regarding anything we've done thus far, something you need clarification on that you just didn't quite get, please feel free to send me an email. I'm always happy to shoot an email back real quick or set up a phone conference with you. So make sure you're communicating with me as well. I've had some communication issues with some of you. Make sure you're letting me know what's going on. Make sure you're checking your email frequently, because that's the only way, that's our main way of communicating. It's the way that you can let me know what's going on in your life and if we need to make some changes. So make sure you're checking your email multiple times throughout the week and staying in touch with me. I'll talk to you guys soon. Thanks.